friends know. This is me. So like I told you guys, African threading is another way of stretching our hair. So I'm using that to stretch my hair, and I was actually just with my stylist here while I was joking with Prosper as well, because the boy is such a playful person. So I had heat damage sometime like 2 months back, so my hair was not giving me the vibe it's supposed to give me, so that's why I cut it off. But I didn't cut it off because I want to start keeping low cut. I cut it off because I want a new growth. So African thread is my only way of growing it back, at least making it grow fast without too much manipulation, protective hairstyle as we call it. So this is Prosper again, and me finally feeling myself. So guys, the lady here was actually telling me that my hair is fine. I told her thank you. So we are on our way back home. Enjoy the blue sky. We are way back home, and that crochet top was made by yours truly at 𝑉LLO.
When you finish, you go and buy what do they call it? Battery.
Prosper, rest. Prosper, rest. Rest before you cry.
Guys, can you believe I've had this plate rack for 1 year and some months now, and I never knew that I could actually pull it out this way and clean it. I've just been cleaning it cleaning it normally, just cleaning it completely without detaching it from itself, and I just found out that you can actually detach it. So I wanted to show you guys, in case if anybody is having this kind of plate rack and you don't know this kind of thing exists. So this is what it is.
Now that I want to talk, let's just wait for this aeroplane to pass. Today I've got a whole lot to do. Like, today is one of my reset day, and this is basically what we do on those days that we feel like doing a lot of cleanups. So I'm going to be doing a whole lot. I've got some clothes to wash here. I'm supposed to use my washing machine for these clothes, but I just want to wash it fast. So that's why I'm using my hand. I just feel like being productive today, so that is why I'm using my hand.
Guys, I'm so tired. I've done a whole lot. I've done a whole lot. I've washed my clothes. The plate rack is cleaned, and I'm doing the dishes now. I've done a whole lot, and I'm tired right now. In all this job I'm doing, do you know how Prosper has been disturbing me? And I'm not finding it funny, but let's see how that goes. So stay tuned and go anywhere.